Hey guys, this is Omar again. This is video 2. I'm going to show you how to change elements in the picture script. Alright, as you can see, this is the picture script we have right now. And when we click on the folders, we only have 2 folders. And you guys might want to change that. You guys might want to have 20 folders. Actually, I'm not too sure about 20. I think the maximum should be 5. Yeah, it should be like right about 5. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to head back to our FileZilla FTP client, so we can upload stuff. Now we're gonna go back to let's go even further than that. We're gonna go back to the entire site. Alright, this is the www folder. Now you see these are all the files. We're gonna go into pics. Now you see this config file? This is pretty much tells the script how to run. So I already did it, but I want you to drag and drop this onto desktop. And when you do that, it should appear somewhere on your desktop. Mine is right there. Alright, so now since that is done, what do you want to do? You want to open it somehow. For Windows, it's Notepad that can open it. Any program that can read text can pretty much open it. So I just hit Edit, and now this is it. And this is the configuration what tells it to run. It gives it its own unique color, which is this is black. It gives it its own title. It gives its email. It's when you right click on the thing, it will say Wondoos Team, for example. Wondoos Team email. And then you have this right here. Now see what this is. This is the most important part because this is the folders. You have 2 folders because you have 2 lines right here. This is the first one, the default one that automatically opens up, and this is the second one. Now, this is the directory where it's stored on the server. Both of these are directories where the pictures are stored on the server. And this is the title that the folders are given. Like alright, for this one, it's some of my shows. We go on Wondoos.com, it's some of my shows. Alright, we want to create another one. So, let's copy and paste this. Alright, we copied and pasted. This is another line. We don't want to have this. We're going to change this line because it'd just be the same thing twice. And for another folder, we're going to make if we make another folder in the configuration file, then we have to do it on the site. So we're going to do that right now. This folder I'm going to call Dance, just out of being random. And the title is going to be Watch One Dance. You guys can take this out if you want. But this is just an example. Alright, so I'm going to save it. I press Control S, but let's go to save. Alright, now what do we want to do? We want to take the file, just drag and drop it back into the same area. It's going to ask you if you want to overwrite, and you do want to overwrite. Alright, now since you overwrote it, I want you to go into Photos, and now I already made the folder, but what you need to do is to make the dance folder. Because if you don't, then the configuration file is going to search for the dance folder. It's not going to find it, so there's going to be nothing to display. So let's create a folder named Dance. After you do that, I want you to go into one of the other 2, like other. Alright, hold on. Let me just put that. Sorry about that. Alright, back to where we were. I want you to go like to either other or to shows, whichever one. Go over here. Click on it, take list.php and thumbs.db, and just drag and drop onto your desktop. As you can see, I already have them on my desktop, so I don't need to do that. I want you to go back out. I want you to go back into the folder you just made called Dance, and I want you to, I already put these in here, but, alright. Pretend this is what it looked like. Actually, I'll make it even better. And when you first create the folder Dance, there's going to be nothing in it. So you want to drag and drop these. Now these are in here. After you do that, you want to create a new directory called Images, because every folder has to have a folder inside it called Images, where you upload the images. As you can see, there's nothing in there, so I'm just going to take a random pic. I just named this one Haha for the laughs. Alright, and that should be uploaded. Now, since we uploaded everything, it should appear on Wondoos.com. We need to reload the page, and if all works out, we're going to have 3 folders. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, my school's internet is extremely slow. Oh, beautiful. We have 3 folders here. Alright, now if it would just load, there we go. I'm going to click on the folders, watch Ron dance. Now those folders go back in, now it's loading the picture. It's taking some time for me, it should fly right by for you guys if you have good internet. And now it's still loading the picture, and the picture should jump up right here. Any day now. Oh, by the way, you also want to make your pictures, resize your pictures, because these pictures are a bit big in size. As you can see, this one's almost 2 megabytes. If you the bigger the picture, the longer it's going to take to load. So for pictures, you want to try to reduce the size of them. You know, reduce the height. See, it finally loaded. You want to reduce the height and width of it so that it can like become lower, the file size itself. It makes it easier for everybody. So you click on the picture. There's one. There's the title. Haha. And looks like he's crying. He's got the napkin or whatever there. That's hilarious. And that's pretty much it. Alright, next I'm gonna show you. What am I gonna show you guys? Well, we'll have to see. Bye.